Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how we can use sort by function in Excel. I have the data. You can sort it according to salary or according to date or according to employee name. Now let us do it. Just from here, insert equal sign, sort by this one, insert all the data, comma, insert the array you want to sort by it. I want to sort by its salary. Good. Now just comma. Here we have ascending from smallest to largest, descending from largest to smallest. So for descending, insert -1. Close the bracket. Just enter. You see, directly enters the data here and sort it according to the salary. 93,600 is the highest salary. Now just select it. And from home border, bring it to center. This is date, so just select it, and from here select it short date. Good. This one, select it and select this comma. Good. Select all, bring it to center. Also I increase its size to 15. Okay. If you want to add the counting salary, for example, $sign or euro, any sign you want, just from accounting here, select it, for example, English, United States. That's all. Have a nice time.